Hey guys, Rohan here once again. Today we are going to check out the video by Vsauce Michael, Pi Tape. It's on the Dong channel. Okay, we'll just watch the video and have the discussion. Okay, here we go. One, two, three.
Today we are going to have a ball on Michael's toys. We're gonna make a pi tape today, also known as a diameter tape. Now, as we know, every circle has a diameter, some length that goes all the way across between 2 points on opposite sides. And the diameter times pi will give us the distance around the circle, the circumference. Or to put it another way, the circumference of a circle divided by pi will give us the diameter. If you know one, you know the other. So if you wrap a measuring tape around a circular object and you look at its circumference, you can be safe knowing that, here's 0, for every pi units, 3.14, boy, that's like 1/10 of an inch. I really wish that I had a decimal imperial measuring tape, but I don't. So just bear with my inaccuracies here. Let's say that pi is like here. Okay, there's pi inches. Now 2 pi is 6.28, that's about 6 1/3 eyeballing. There's 2 pi. 3 pi is 9.42, so we'll just go a little shy of 9.5. There's 3 pi. If I wrap a measuring tape around a circular object and its circumference is pi units, well, that means its diameter is 1 of those units. If 2 pi units go around, its diameter is 2. If 3 pi units go all the way around, its diameter is 3, and so on. Now what this means is that you need to take the circumference of the circle and then divide it by pi, which is an irrational number. It's got a lot of digits in it, and you need to use a lot of them to be precise. But wait, what if we didn't want to do any mathematical figuring? What if we just had a measuring tape like this, and rather than having units listed this way, it instead counted off pi units of length. So we started at 0, and then 1 was here, and 2 was here, and 3 was here, and so on. Well, then we could wrap the tape around the object, read the number, and although the tape was around the circumference, what we saw would be the diameter. Such a thing is called a pi tape, or diameter tape, and what do you know? This measuring tape happens to be one. If I flip it over to the other side, you will see that it has, whoa, okay, first of all, look how close I was. The integers you see on the tape on the other side are pi inches, and my guesses almost line up perfectly. This is totally, I'm not even joking. That's, well, it's really just luck. But anyway, the other side of this tape is measured off in chunks of pi inches. So when you put the other side of the tape around an object, like say this cylinder, I will see that its diameter is about 6.1 inches. Let's use the other side of the tape
Okay, we'll stop at 3 minutes. So today Michael, what he's doing is trying to make a pi tape. So first we need to understand what is pi. Pi is an irrational number equal to 3.14, and it goes on forever. It's an irrational number. It goes on for, it doesn't have an end we know of. So what he's doing is, imagine taking a circle. Okay, you know the area of a circle. So the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi d, where pi is an irrational number and d is a diameter. So if I give you the circumference of a circle, you can find out what is the diameter by dividing it by pi. Or if I give you a diameter of a circle, you can tell me the circumference of a circle by multiplying it with the pi. What if we have the tapes, measuring tapes for 1 centimeter in meters and inches? What if we have something which measures at every pi distance? We know that pi has a value of 3.14 and something, and we can, if we find out that length, for example, this is the length for a pi, so we know this is the length for a 2 pi. So if we just need to make a scale where every marking, okay, is in a progression of pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and so on. That is a tape Michael had made, a makeshift make, and such tapes are available in the market.